Is that Daddy's surprise for you?
Yes.
I told you, you have a surprise.
Okay.
Is it there? I interview you. Nay, sa pakisabi pag pumasok. Okay, dalian. Amo, Ella, ang kumain ng Mentos. Okay. Hoy, tumingin ka dito. Okay, I'll take a picture of you. Okay, eto, 1, 2, ready? Here's the surprise! Here's the real surprise! Open it!
Thank you, Daddy. Wait, what is it? Boy or girl?
A boy.
Hi, Luigi. Hi, Luigi.
You like it? Ella?
Thanks, Daddy.
Ella?
You take a picture ng doggy. Lagyan mo nito in the middle.
Lagay mo dito. Amoy pupo.
Meron hindi siya